Welcome to another Hunter One production. Graphic hunting situations ahead. Please leave now if you do not wish to view. This is a 50-yard shot on the bottom. This next shot is 75 yards, 2 mil dots. On this shot, I wanted to stretch it out to 100 yards, 4 mil dots. You see the pellets flight, a little spiral at the end, but still hits the target. And here's one more shot at 100 yards. Perfect flight. Splash. This next shot was taken on the ground squirrel at 64 yards. JSB Kings, 950 feet per second.
I love those Kings. Kings get it done every time. Every time. I've tried all the rest. Now back to the best. All hail the Kings.
Let's take a look at that shot through the scope cam. He's down. This next shot was taken at 34 yards. This guy never knew what hit him. Here it is again through the scope cam. Lights out. This pigeon was sitting on the wire at about 50 yards out. Let's slow that down and look at the shot placement through the scope cam. Splash. This shot was taken at 54 yards, but let me tell you that the houses in the distance were greater than 600 yards away. A safe shot. Here it is in the scope cam. Starling at 50. We all know how much we love these birds. I'm going to show them a little. Lights out. This ground squirrel only gave me a small target to work with, but I was able to manage. Wait for it. Wait for it. There he goes. There he is rolling around. This one was ranged at 75 yards. Looks like he was mooning. Couldn't have that. This was an easy shot. Remember the bottle at 75? 2 mil dots. Headshot. Lights out. As always, thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe. See you guys next time.